Hi everyone, Eddie Harris here, showing you three stretches. One for your shoulders, one for your trunk or lower back, and the last one for hamstrings. So based on the research I found, I'm recommending that all stretches be done for 60 seconds based on the age population and 5 days a week. And all you need to do is one set. So each stretch, 60 seconds, 5 days a week, one set. Most of these stretches are bilateral, so for each part that you're stretching, it will be about a minute and 20 seconds, 60 seconds per side. So the first stretch is our shoulder stretch. It's a pretty basic stretch. You can do the seated or standing. I'll do this one standing. So you're just going to take one arm, so I'm using my right arm, straight across your body, try to keep it straight as you can. Then you're going to put your opposite hand right behind the elbow. Push until you feel it in your shoulder, and then you're just going to hold it. Just like that. Do the opposite side right quick. Same thing. Arm straight across, straight as you can. Opposite hand right behind the elbow. Pushing in towards your body, right until you feel it in your shoulder. And just hold it there. So that's your shoulder stretch. Pretty simple, basic stretch. Second one is for our hamstring. So this one's called a seated hamstring stretch. So your body's going to be right at the front of your chair, almost near the edge, feet flat on the ground. So one leg just going to put out nice and straight, and then your toes should be pointing towards the ceiling. Okay, opposite hands go on opposite knee. Then you're just going to rotate your hips, push forward, all the while keeping your back straight. We're not bending at the waist. Push those hips forward until you feel it. Your hamstring, right there. And then you're going to hold that once again 60 seconds. Switching to the opposite leg. Once again, leg is straight, edge of the chair, toes pointing towards the ceiling. Put my hands opposite knee, rotate at the hips, keep my back straight. Just rotate those hips until you feel it in your hamstring, right there. And that is the seated stretch. Lastly, we're going to do our back stretch. This is called the supine rotational back stretch. This one will be flat on the floor. So we have one standing, one seated, and one lying flat. Doesn't have to be the floor, but it should be a flat surface. So feet are on the ground. Arms are going to be to your side. And for this one, we're just going to rotate our knees towards the side. As we rotate, our shoulders are flat. Our back stays flat against the floor. Do not come up. Just kind of rotate those knees until you feel it right there in your lower back. You can go all the way, that's great. If not, just keeping it here. Feeling that stretch. So my shoulders, upper back, do not come up off the floor. And my stomach, abdominals stay pointed towards the ceiling, not towards any side. We don't want to come up like this. We don't want our stomach facing this way. We don't want our shoulder off the mat. So they all stay flat. Do the other side right quick. So again, rotate, feet together, our knees are together until we feel it right there in the lower back. Shoulders, upper back, stay on the mat. Again, stomach, abdominals pointing towards the ceiling. And that is how we do the supine rotational back stretch. So once again, those are my three stretches. Shoulder, seated chair for the hamstring, and also the supine rotational stretch for the trunk or back area. Once again, recommendation 60 seconds, just one set only, 5 times a week. And that's it. Thank you.